Number 15. The Venturi Antarctica is an extreme electric exploration vehicle engineered specifically for the most unforgiving polar environments on Earth. Designed with efficiency, sustainability, and resilience in mind, this vehicle operates entirely on electric power, making it uniquely capable of functioning in regions where fuel logistics are costly and environmentally sensitive. Its advanced battery system is optimized to perform reliably in sub-zero temperatures, while a reinforced chassis and wide-track design ensure stability and traction across deep snow, ice sheets, and uneven terrain. The Antarctica is built with a sealed, insulated cabin that protects sensitive electronics and occupants from brutal winds and freezing conditions, maintaining consistent internal temperatures even during prolonged missions. Number 14. The John Deere 44-inch snowblower is a powerful and practical attachment designed to handle heavy snowfall with speed and consistency, making winter maintenance far more manageable. Built with durable materials and engineered for efficiency, it integrates seamlessly with compatible John Deere tractors. Number 13. The Snowdog Compact is a small yet remarkably capable motorized tow vehicle designed to make winter transportation easier across snow-covered terrain. Its lightweight construction allows it to float over deep snow while maintaining impressive traction, making it ideal for ice fishing, hunting, recreational outings, or utility hauling. Despite its compact size, the Snowdog delivers strong pulling power, enabling it to tow sleds loaded with gear, supplies, or equipment with surprising ease. Number 12. The Arctic Cat MY25 lineup showcases the brand's continued focus on performance, durability, and rider-focused innovation in snow-ready machines. Engineered to thrive in demanding winter conditions, these models feature refined chassis designs that enhance stability, responsiveness, and rider confidence across deep snow, trails, and rugged terrain. Advanced suspension systems absorb impacts effectively, providing smoother control during long rides or aggressive maneuvers. Power delivery is carefully tuned to balance strong acceleration. Number 11. The Envo MoonBike is a compact electric snow bike, designed to deliver a quiet, clean, and accessible way to travel across snowy landscapes. Number 10. The Envo Flex Snowbike builds on electric mobility principles to deliver a versatile and efficient winter riding experience. Designed with adaptability in mind, this electric snow bike combines a responsive motor system with a lightweight structure that performs reliably across varied snow conditions. The track-driven rear system provides solid traction, while a precision ski at the front ensures accurate steering and balance. Its electric drivetrain offers smooth power delivery without noise or emissions, making it suitable for both recreational enjoyment and practical transportation. The Flex Snowbike emphasizes comfort and control, featuring ergonomic riding geometry that reduces fatigue during extended use. Battery performance is optimized for cold weather, ensuring consistent output even in freezing temperatures. Maintenance requirements remain low due to the simplified electric design, allowing users to focus more on riding and less on upkeep. Compact proportions make it easy to store and transport, while its modern design reflects a forward-looking approach to winter mobility. The Envo Flex Snowbike presents a refined blend of efficiency, sustainability, and performance tailored for modern snowriders. Number 9. The Aktiv Grizzly is a rugged tracked utility vehicle built to handle extreme winter conditions with strength and reliability. Designed for professional and heavy-duty applications, it excels in transporting people. Number 8. The Bombadier BR100 is a compact tracked transporter renowned for its durability and performance in snowbound environments. Built to navigate deep snow and narrow paths, it offers exceptional maneuverability while carrying substantial loads. Its low ground pressure allows it to travel over soft surfaces without sinking, making it ideal for remote access in winter conditions. The BR100's powerful drivetrain provides steady torque, ensuring reliable movement across slopes and uneven terrain. A sturdy chassis protects vital components, while the track system delivers consistent traction in icy environments. Designed for versatility, it can be configured to transport cargo, equipment, or personnel depending on operational needs. Operator controls are straightforward and robust, providing precise handling in challenging conditions. The vehicle's compact footprint makes it suitable for areas where larger machines cannot reach. With a reputation for reliability in extreme climates, the Bombardier BR100 continues to serve as a trusted solution for winter transport tasks that demand resilience and performance. Number 7. The Tucker Snow Kitten is a compact snowcat designed for effective performance in tight or challenging winter environments. Its small size allows it to navigate confined trails, steep inclines, and densely wooded areas with ease, while still offering impressive traction and stability. The track system distributes weight evenly, ensuring reliable movement over deep snow without excessive surface disturbance. A rugged frame supports dependable operation in harsh conditions, while the drivetrain is tuned for steady power delivery in cold climates. The Snow Kitten's versatility makes it suitable for grooming, utility work, and access to remote locations. Thoughtful design elements enhance operator comfort and control, allowing precise handling during extended use. Its durability and simplicity reduce downtime and maintenance requirements, making it a practical choice for consistent winter work. Despite its compact footprint, the Tucker Snow Kitten delivers dependable performance, proving that effective snow management does not require oversized machinery, but rather intelligent engineering and thoughtful design. Number 6. The Bombardier J5 Mini is a smaller-scale tracked vehicle, built to provide reliable access across snowy and icy terrain. Designed for maneuverability and efficiency, it excels in environments where space is limited, but dependable transport is essential. Its track system offers excellent grip while maintaining low ground pressure, preventing excessive sinking in soft snow. A durable frame and straightforward mechanical design contribute to its reputation for reliability in cold climates. The J5 Mini can be adapted for light cargo transport, inspection tasks, or recreational use, making it a flexible winter mobility option. Controls are intuitive, allowing operators to focus on terrain negotiation rather than complex operation. Its compact dimensions simplify storage and transportation, while stable handling enhances confidence across slopes and uneven surfaces. Built with longevity in mind, the Bombardier J5 Mini offers consistent performance in demanding winter conditions, serving users who need a practical and dependable snow vehicle without unnecessary complexity. Number 5. The Yanmar AC21 Crawler is a compact tracked carrier engineered for durability and efficiency in tough working environments, including snow-covered terrain. Its crawler track design ensures excellent traction and stability, allowing it to move confidently over soft ground, icy surfaces, and uneven landscapes. Built with a strong frame and reliable drivetrain, the AC21 handles consistent workloads without compromising performance. The compact size enhances maneuverability in confined areas, while still offering sufficient load capacity for tools, materials, or supplies. Engine efficiency supports steady operation in cold weather, reducing downtime and improving reliability. User-focused controls make the machine easy to operate, even under challenging conditions. The crawler's balanced weight distribution minimizes slippage, providing safe and predictable handling. Designed for versatility, the Yanmar AC21 can adapt to various tasks beyond winter use, making it a valuable all-season utility machine. Its combination of strength, precision, and practicality makes it a dependable choice for demanding environments. Number 4. The Tinger Track 2 is an amphibious tracked vehicle designed to tackle snow, ice, mud, and water with equal confidence. Its unique track system delivers exceptional grip on slippery surfaces, while also allowing smooth transitions between different terrain types. The wide stance and low ground pressure provide stability over deep snow, preventing sinking and enhancing balance. A durable hull protects internal components from harsh conditions, while the drivetrain delivers consistent power, even in cold environments. The spacious interior allows for transporting passengers or cargo, making it suitable for utility, exploration, or recreational use. Steering remains responsive and predictable, enabling precise control in challenging conditions. Its versatility makes it particularly valuable for regions with variable terrain and unpredictable weather. Designed with reliability in mind, the Tinger Track 2 stands out as a multi-purpose winter-capable vehicle that offers confidence and performance where traditional transport options fall short. Number 3. The Husqvarna P 525D is a high-performance front mower engineered to deliver professional-grade results even in demanding conditions. Powered by a robust diesel engine, it offers strong torque and dependable operation, ensuring consistent performance during extended use. Its articulated steering system provides exceptional maneuverability, allowing precise control around obstacles and tight spaces. The front-mounted cutting deck enhances visibility and accuracy, improving both efficiency and finish quality. Designed with operator comfort in mind, the machine features ergonomic controls and stable handling that reduce fatigue during long sessions. Durable construction ensures longevity, while advanced engineering supports consistent output under varying workloads. Though primarily a turf management solution, number 2. The 2025 ARGO Frontier Scout XTV is a compact utility terrain vehicle designed to excel in snow, mud, and rough landscapes. Its tracked or multi-wheel capability provides excellent traction, allowing it to traverse deep snow and slippery surfaces with confidence. Number 1. The Yamaha 2025 Snoscoot ES delivers a unique blend of scooter-style convenience and snow machine capability, offering a comfortable and approachable way to travel across winter terrain. Designed with stability in mind, it features a track-driven rear system paired with skis that provide confident steering and balanced handling. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it suitable for both new and experienced riders. The ergonomic seating position promotes comfort during extended rides, while intuitive controls simplify operation in cold conditions.